Hello everyone! Welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. In today's tutorial, we're drawing one of the most energetic and iconic cartoon characters ever created, Woody Woodpecker, known for his unforgettable laugh, playful personality, and bright appearance. Woody Woodpecker has entertained generations of cartoon fans. His expressive face, long beak, and unique hairstyle make him a fun and exciting character to draw. Let's begin by lightly sketching the overall shape of Woody's head. Start with smooth curves and keep your pencil pressure light so you can easily make changes if needed. Getting the basic proportions right at this stage will make the rest of the drawing much easier. Next, we'll draw Woody's large expressive eyes and his signature long beak. Pay attention to the angle of the beak and the placement of the eyes too. Capture his cheerful expression, then add his wide smile, which gives the character his friendly and mischievous personality. Now it's time to draw Woody's famous feather crest on top of his head. Use smooth, pointed curves to create the spiky feather effect. This hairstyle is one of his most recognizable features. Moving down, we'll sketch the neck feathers, body, and wings. Notice that Woody has a slim body with long arms, making his pose look lively and energetic. One hand is stretched outward as if welcoming everyone, while the other rests confidently on his hip. Next, draw the legs and large cartoon-style feet. Keep the lines clean and smooth. Then finish by adding the short tail feathers behind the body. Once the sketch is complete, erase all unnecessary construction lines before outlining everything with a black Fineliner or marker. Clean outlines make the artwork stand out and give it a polished cartoon appearance. If you'd like to color your drawing, use bright blue for the body, red for the crest, white for the face and neck, yellow-orange for the beak and feet, and black for the eyes and outlines. These classic colors bring Woody Woodpecker to life. Drawing classic cartoon characters is a great way to improve your line control, proportions, and understanding of expressive character design. Every drawing you complete builds confidence and helps develop your artistic skills. I'd love to know which classic cartoon character you'd like to see next. Leave your suggestions in the comments below, and your idea might be featured in an upcoming tutorial on the channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who enjoy drawing. Don't forget to subscribe to Hobbyist Artist and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new drawing tutorial. I regularly upload videos featuring cartoons, anime, superheroes, movie characters, celebrities, and much more. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, stay creative, and remember that every masterpiece begins with a single line. I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial. Happy drawing!